Why people fail with online business. Reason number one, if you have a job that you hate because you hate having a schedule that you have to stick to throughout your day, having a boss that tells you what to do, and having to do something that someone tells you, you're also going to struggle in online business because here we set a schedule for our day, we have priorities to take care of. And if you struggle with that, you're also going to struggle with online business because having a schedule, actually planning out your day, makes sure or ensures that you get everything done because you have everything planned out the way you like. Now, often things drag out and take longer than expected. That's okay. This ties into a reason I'm going to talk about shortly. Reason number two, consistency. The failure to be consistent is also another big reason you might be failing. So say you have a YouTube channel, you post once a week, then you don't post for 2 weeks, and you post again. That is inconsistent. People are going to be unlikely to subscribe to your channel. They're not going to like your content as much because it just doesn't show that you're consistent and being strict with yourself on posting at a regular schedule. Reason number three, getting up early in the morning. If you get up at 5 or 6 a.m., that is what we call the golden hour. Nobody's there to distract you. There are no distractions. It's quiet. Everyone else is still asleep. That is when you have to get your most important work done. If you're sleeping till 10 or 11 a.m., most people already gone to work or doing other stuff at that time. There's going to be loads of distractions. Your phone's going to be going off with messages and distractions, and you're just going to end up on social media doing whatever and not focusing on studying or what you actually should be doing. This is why the power of getting up early. Not even looking at the psychology of it, not at the psychological basis of getting up early, just the business and being able to focus. 5 or 6 a.m. is that early time when you don't have any distractions. Even if you get up late and work into the night, that is still bad. In the evening, most people, statistically speaking here, spend their time before they go to sleep on social media, watching YouTube videos, or doing whatnot. It is going to be very hard to focus on business late in the evening or late at night. So doing it early in the morning is the key. The fourth reason, failure to do research. So let's say you're running an affiliate marketing business. If you're using incorrect methods, you may be consistent, you may be doing everything the way you're supposed to do. If your strategy of marketing is incorrect or not proven to work, it is not going to work. Whatever you're doing, if you're using the wrong method of marketing, people will not buy. Remember, people buy stories and emotions. You may have a product review sitting out there. Now that might work, but you'll be much more successful if you have a story that you can relate to that product. People will be flying to buy that product. The fifth and final reason in this video is quitting or giving up. If you give up, you've already failed. Some mentors have told me how they have Facebook ads up and they're just not converting. Then they do a little bit tweak, just if you change the wording around a little bit, do a little bit tweaking, maybe use a different image, and suddenly the ad just takes off and it's converting like crazy. Sometimes all it takes is just a little change or a little tweak. And what we call this is testing. We don't call it, I'm just trying this out and see if it works. That's not what we call it. It's a mindset thing. We call it testing. I'm simply testing this ad to see how it works. If it doesn't work, I'll tweak it a little bit, test it again, and then see what works best. I can have a whole other video on this explaining how that works, but I'm going to keep it very short and simple. It's simply, if something does not work, change it up, use a different method, try something else. Because if you use a proven method that is proven to work and you see other people doing it and it's working for them, it will work for you. You just have to stay consistent and to keep doing it. Even if it doesn't work, just keep doing it. Eventually, people are going to notice you, and you will succeed. Now, if you like this content, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.